Hey y'all, this is Randy. How you guys doing today? Hey buddy, how you doing, Acer? Anyway, sitting inside the van. Too windy today, too windy yesterday. I'm supposed to be doing metal on a shed, but I cannot. Well, you're not going to help right now. Blocking the light. Alright, get down, little buddy. He is such a camera hog, isn't he? Anyway, supposed to be putting metal on a shed, and I can't do that by myself when the wind's blowing. Sheets of metal are kind of sharp. So I decided I'm going to do the next best thing, and since I was complaining about not being able to stand up in the van, I did something about that. Come back. This is what I've done. Whoa, where's the bed? And where's the cabinets, the pantry? It's all gone. You guys know that idle hands is a problem for me. I don't have pallets or wood to build with. I'm going to find it. Yeah, I tore apart the van. And I'm going to rebuild it differently. Well, you know what? We're going to take a break. You guys come back and you're going to see what I did, or how I did it. Okay, welcome to my rebuild of the 98 Dodge Ram van. Okay, one of the first noticeable differences is that chair. Do y'all remember what was there before? It was actually the bed. The front door is off there, the side door. You walked in and you saw the bed. Well, now I actually have room for a rocking chair there. It's a camping rocking chair, but it works great. And then at night, Ace's dog bed is underneath it. So, as you can see, the bed's now in the back. I moved around the closet. I pulled it forward about 6 foot. Pantry next to it, I shortened them up. They didn't need to be as big as they were. Over here, this little thing right here is a catch-all. You got your soaps, some aspirin, things like that in there. It's just an organizer. Now, as you can see, I left the kitchen the way it was. I didn't do anything to the kitchen cabinet, to the stove and oven, anything. But what I did was I just moved the bed from the side to the back, and what that did, hey buddy, can you move out of the way there, buddy? Okay, what this did, no, I still can't stand up in here. And as you can see, we're in the shadows. Let me turn on the light. There we go. I have the refrigerator next to the bed, and it's no longer on the floor. I raised it up about 1 foot. So now it's much easier to get at. I don't have to bend over as far. And it's plugged into a power strip right there, which is plugged into the inverter, which is now underneath the bed. I'm going to show you guys here. All I did was I put a piece of cloth here just to keep flow. Oh, look at that. Microwave. It's on. I can now utilize the microwave because I have a spot for it. Anyway, underneath the bed, it's all storage. The batteries are still in the far back. Here, how's that for some light on the subject? Much better. Anyway, what I'm using for a bed is actually 3 couch cushions that I bought at a rummage sale. Oh, Stan was with me and he saw them and he says, hey, that'll work for a bed. I'm like, yeah, it will. So that's what it is. Now, the width is only 5'8". I'm 5'10", so I sleep at an angle. I just angle my feet. You know, I just put my head over here and then I angle the feet down to that corner. Now, in time, I might cover these windows up, but I'm still hoping for a high top. So I'm not going to do anything else to the sides. I'm just going to keep the reflectix in there. Because if I get the gumption to cut the roof off this thing and either make it a high top or buy a trailer. There's a stove and the oven. Like I say, everything's still the same. Look at this. I'm using Mobile Traveler stickers to cover up imperfections. Anyway, and as you can see, the sink is still in the same spot. Right there, you can see the dirty dishes I got hiding in there. Anyway, this is a build out that took me approximately 2 days to do. 2 days ago at 2:30 in the afternoon, I says, I'm tired of this crap. So I started tearing apart. Now what this allows me to do is I can sit here. I can sit on the seat that I got spun around where I'm sitting at right now. It actually allows me a little room to walk in between here and there, even though I'm hunched over. It's just more roomy and a better use of space. So I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'd be happier if I could stand up. Well, see that? I got not one but 2 fly swatters and I've just about ruined them. These flies are horrendous here on the farm. Got to eradicate a few. And yes, there were flies harmed in the making of this video. So, thank you for joining me. And it just shows you that if you leave my hands idle, you give me 2 days, I'm going to do something with them. I used the existing wood that I had to do all this. No more wood, no more screws. And it just totally changed everything around, didn't it? Alright, now don't forget, Sunday at 3 p.m. is a live stream. We'll talk about this little build, among other things. Alright, thank you all for joining me. Remember, drive safe, travel on, and love one another if you can, and if you can't, you know what to do. Either walk away or, you know what, just try harder. Alright, bye now.